Today, I'm going to show you how to pay your bills using Wealthsimple through their website. It's super easy and convenient, so let's get started. To begin, log into your Wealthsimple account. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts section and select your cash account. On the right side of the page, you'll see an option to pay a bill. Click on that. Next, you'll need to set up a payee. Click on Add Payee and search for the name of the company you need to pay. Once you find the right one, enter a nickname for the payee if you want, and input your account number with the payee. With the pay set up, you can now proceed to make a payment. Simply enter the amount you want to pay and the date you want the payment to be sent out. Review all your details to make sure everything is correct, and hit Pay Bill. Remember, Wealthsimple offers different ways to manage payments, from adding payees and setting up pre-authorized debits to using your Wealthsimple Cash Card for things like subscriptions. Each method offers flexibility to suit your needs. And that's it, you've successfully paid your bill with Wealthsimple.